there's a paradoxical phenomenon that occurs with a musical octave. Because an A chord, or C chord, or D chord consists of, let's say hypothetically, an A chord or a C chord, hypothetically, let's say, consists of 550 hertz or 240 hertz. We say an A chord consists of 440 hertz. So when you double the 440 hertz, you get 880 hertz. That constitutes an octave. Why we hear octave? Why does the A note repeat itself after the 440 hertz becomes when it doubles?
Communication as part of the nurturing and conditioning. Because when manic becomes disinhibited, they are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they are also removed from these phonological nurturing features. And they become disinhibited, and they take on a new sort of language, a language that's prevalent among teenagers. Sometimes you'll meet someone with a manic episode and you'll wonder why they're so childish. Why is he so childish? Why does he act like a child? It's a fascinating form of rhetoric because manics recede back to this sort of correlation between adolescence and impulsivity, which you find, studies have shown you find far more.